We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2007 Harley-Davidson Softail Fat Boy in vivid black. We have highway pegs so you can stretch out, rider and passenger floorboards. We also have rider and passenger backrest as well. These hard-mounted, structured, locking, leather Viking saddlebags, and we also have this tea bag up on top as well. We have a heel-toe shifter, nice tall windshield with a little bit more storage in the front up there as well. We run on a key fob, so we are keyless, and miles are 18,587. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.